What if I told you you can work with Microsoft, get access to exclusive events, certifications, mentorship, and build a global network, all while still being a student? Sounds fake? It's not. And most students in India still don't know about this. So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you all are absolutely fine and sound. And if you are a student and you want to stand out, build real skills and actually get opportunities, this video will change your life. So let's start everything in detail. Make sure you share the video with everyone so that they are able to participate in this opportunity. Also, I'll show you how you have to actually fill the form. Means most people are asking how we have to apply, how we have to fill the form. All things will cover step by step. This will be a complete guide from zero to hero. Okay. Today I'm breaking down everything about the Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador program. What is it, how to get in, and why you should not ignore it. So the first thing is that what exactly the program is about. So Microsoft Student Ambassador Program is a global initiative by Microsoft where student becomes tech leaders in their campus. Yes, it is just like a campus ambassador program, you can say. You don't just learn, you teach something, you build, you lead and grow your community on your college. Also, it helps you to learn and you'll be getting access to free Azure credits and much more things over here. You learning cloud computing, AI machine learning, web development, app development and much more. You will be a part of the global ambassador community and it will help you to just upscale your career. You'll be getting the goodies, you'll be getting the swags, you'll be getting the certification and much more than that. So how to apply for it? It's very simple. I'll show you. First of all, you have to just come over here and just click on get started. Then this page will redirect to a new page and mostly it will ask you to sign in. Mostly it will ask you to just select your Microsoft account. So you have to use your Microsoft account. In case you don't have, you can simply create it just like we create a Gmail account. After that, you have to just select the account over here. So once you are signed in, chances are there you may be redirected to this particular page also. So you have to simply again click on get started and some of you are saying that we are unable to register over here. Like this page is not opening. So first of all you have to click on Azure for students free. Here you have to just click on link your account. Okay. So now here you have to enter your university email or school email account, which is mostly like at the rate of edu at the rate of ac.in. You have to contact your faculty for getting the email. You cannot use your personal email over here. Okay, so you have to just enter your college or school email address over here. Okay, not gmail.com or any other domain, only your college email will work. After that you have to click on next and just like you authenticate and add permissions, you have to just add the permissions. After that I'm going to show you what details you have to fill. Okay, so once you have authenticated, the registration page will open and then we'll move forward to the next step which I'm going to show you. Now from here you can see all the details are there. Okay. You have to first of all agree to all the terms and conditions and then you'll be able to move forward. That is mostly for the personal information, online influence and network and the academic institution details. So first of all you have to just agree all the terms and condition and then you can read it also and simply just click on I agree and just click on the next page. Now, once you have done all these things, you have to agree the privacy terms and condition. Then you have to come to the personal information. In the personal information, you have to enter all your personal details like name, details, qualification, all the things over here. Okay. After that, there is an option for online influence and network. So if you are having a page, means you are running a YouTube channel or maybe Instagram channel, even if you are running a community, you can just mention that links and about your works. You can share the links if it is asking. Okay, and after that, there you have to mention the academic institution also, means in which college you are studying. You have to just mention all the details. Okay. In online influence section, if you are having a small community of groups also, you can just mention that we are running this particular group, but either on WhatsApp, either on Telegram, anywhere you have just mentioned it. Okay. Now coming to the next thing, like what are the important things for applying? You need to take care. You should be mentioning each and every small details step by step and correct, because once you submit, chances are there you won't be able to edit it and then you'll be able to mention all the things. Now here, once you have done all the things, means enter your academic institution details and additional information about it. After that you have to click on the review button and just review all the things, all the details one by one, and after that you have to simply submit over here. And it is a very easiest process for all of you to complete. And the most important thing is that I have covered multiple internship opportunities also in the channel. From there you can easily see, and if you still have any doubts, you can reach out to me for any queries.